How to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily request for an ownership for a Facebook page. Let's just get started. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and head over to Meta Business Suite. So go ahead and search for business.facebook.com and hit enter. Once you open up your Meta Business Suite account, you just need to make sure that you're logged into the correct store or the page where you want to claim it. Now, the next step is to actually head over to your settings menu. Now, once you click on the settings option, it will take you to another page where you have an option to access business portfolio info about yourself. And then from here, what you can do is go ahead and log into another account where you want to claim the page. From here, you're going to have to head over to the pages option right under the accounts. And then from here, you will see all of these pages that are under your business portfolio. And at the top, you'll find an option to add assets. The button is not quite visible, but you can just click on this button. And if you want to add an existing Facebook page, you can do this. And if you want to request shared access to Facebook page, you can click on this and create. If you want to completely create a new Facebook page, you can do this. So if you want to add an existing Facebook page, go ahead and click on this and enter the Facebook page or URL. And then click on any of the store that is yours or that you want to add. This is already in the business portfolio, so let's just add another one. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click on the page. The next step is to tap on next. Here, you're going to have to review the people following. The following people will have access to this page and are already in the business portfolio. So this is the people with the access to the page. And if you already have the access, you can just go ahead and click on continue. And on the next option, you will have request approval. So if you have agreed to the terms and conditions, click on this. Now you'll have the full control of the business portfolio once your request has been approved automatically. So go ahead and click on add page. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.